Uncover how Cross4 Cloud enables businesses to overcome Kubernetes cost pitfalls through real-world success stories of Shopify, Spotify, and MetLife. Learn strategies for efficient deployment and cost management to transform your cloud infrastructure. Kubernetes, an open-source platform designed to automate deploying, scaling, and operating application containers, has revolutionized how organizations manage their applications in the cloud. Developed by Google and now maintained by the Cloud Native Computing Foundation, Kubernetes orchestrates containerized applications across a cluster of machines, automating deployment, scaling, and operations. Its popularity stems from its ability to streamline complex processes, ensuring applications run smoothly and efficiently. However, the path to Kubernetes efficiency is fraught with potential cost pitfalls that can catch even the most seasoned professionals off guard. Without careful planning and management, organizations can find themselves facing unexpectedly high bills. Common cost traps include over-provisioning of resources. Allocating more resources to Kubernetes clusters than needed can lead to wasteful spending. It's often the result of a better safe than sorry approach to resource allocation. Underutilization of resources. Conversely, underutilizing resources means you're paying for infrastructure that isn't contributing to your operations. Finding the right balance is key. Neglecting inactive resources. Resources that are provisioned but not actively used still incur costs. These can be old volumes, unused namespaces, or forgotten clusters. Lack of visibility and monitoring. Without proper monitoring tools and practices in place, it's challenging to identify where costs are coming from and how to optimize them. Misunderstanding pricing models. Kubernetes pricing can be complex, and misunderstanding the cost implications of different services and configurations can lead to unexpected expenses. Addressing these pitfalls requires a nuanced understanding of Kubernetes and a proactive approach to cloud cost management. By familiarizing themselves with the intricacies of Kubernetes cost structures and adopting best practices for efficient deployment, organizations can avoid these common traps, ensuring their cloud investments deliver maximum value without unnecessary expenditure. Tips for efficient Kubernetes deployment to reduce expenses. To navigate the complexities of Kubernetes and avoid the common cost pitfalls, organizations can adopt several strategic practices. These practices not only streamline operations, but also significantly reduce expenses associated with Kubernetes deployments. Right-sizing your resources. Assess workload requirements. Regularly evaluate the resources each application needs, adjusting allocations to match usage patterns. This prevents over-provisioning and underutilization. Implement resource quotas. Set resource quotas for namespaces to control the maximum amount of resources a single project can consume, encouraging more efficient resource use. Implementing autoscaling. Horizontal pod autoscaler HPA automatically scales the number of pods in a replication controller, deployment, replica set, or stateful set based on observed CPU utilization or custom metrics. Cluster autoscaler automatically adjusts the size of a Kubernetes cluster to meet the current needs, ensuring that you have enough resources to run your workloads without over-provisioning. Adopting spot instances. Utilize cloud providers' spot instances for non-critical, fault-tolerant workloads that can withstand interruptions. Spot instances can significantly lower compute costs compared to on-demand instances. Efficient load balancing. Optimize load balancers. Use a single load balancer for multiple services where possible, and consider using ingress controllers to manage traffic, reducing the need for multiple external load balancers. Implementing effective monitoring and cost management tools. Utilize Kubernetes native tools. Tools like Prometheus for monitoring and Grafana for visualization can help track resource usage and identify areas for cost optimization. Third-party cost management solutions. Consider using specialized cost management tools that provide deeper insights into Kubernetes spending and optimization opportunities. Embracing policy as code for resource management. Define policies. Use policy as code tools like Open Policy Agent OPA to enforce best practices and prevent configurations that could lead to unnecessary spending. By implementing these strategies, organizations can significantly reduce the costs associated with Kubernetes deployments while ensuring their applications run efficiently and reliably. These practices foster a culture of cost awareness and optimization, crucial for maximizing the benefits of Kubernetes. Real-world examples of savings achieved through smart Kubernetes management. The transformative impact of Kubernetes on operational efficiency and cost management is best illustrated through real-world applications. Below are detailed examples from Shopify, Spotify, and MetLife, showcasing the substantial benefits derived from their strategic adoption of Kubernetes. Shopify's use of Docker and Kubernetes. Challenge: Shopify, supporting over 1 million businesses, grappled with maintaining consistent environments across development, testing, and production phases. Solution: By adopting Docker for containerization, Shopify ensured a uniform development environment. Kubernetes further facilitated the deployment, scaling, and management of these containerized applications, accommodating dynamic and distributed environments. Results: The move led to marked improvements in developer productivity and resource utilization. This efficiency not only enhanced scalability but also significantly reduced infrastructure costs. Kubernetes support for continuous delivery pipelines contributed to faster release cycles, propelling Shopify's growth and operational agility. Spotify's deployment and management with Kubernetes. Challenge: Spotify faced the daunting task of managing and scaling its microservices architecture to cater to its vast user base. Solution: The adoption of Kubernetes for orchestrating its containerized microservices allowed Spotify to implement automatic scaling based on demand, ensuring efficient resource orchestration. Results: Kubernetes endowed Spotify with the scalability and reliability needed to manage peak usage times effectively. The optimization of resource utilization translated into notable cost savings, bolstered performance, and expedited release cycles through enhanced continuous delivery mechanisms. MetLife's modernization with Docker and Kubernetes. Challenge: MetLife aimed to modernize its application deployment and management to bolster agility and scalability. Solution: Turning to Docker for containerization and Kubernetes for orchestration, MetLife achieved consistent packaging of applications and robust management of containerized applications at scale. Results: This strategic shift offered MetLife increased flexibility in modernizing existing applications and developing new ones. The operational efficiency was significantly improved thanks to Kubernetes auto-scaling and self-healing features, which also contributed to a reduction in time to market for new services and enhancements. These case studies vividly illustrate how Kubernetes can drive not just technological advancements, but also substantial cost savings and operational efficiencies. By meticulously managing and orchestrating containerized environments, organizations like Shopify, Spotify, and MetLife have realized the potential for improved scalability, reliability, and cost-effectiveness in their operational practices. Embracing the future with Kubernetes and Cross4 Cloud. The journey of Shopify, Spotify, and MetLife through the adoption and management of Kubernetes underscores a pivotal shift in the landscape of digital infrastructure management. These organizations highlight the profound impact that containerization and orchestration can have on operational efficiency, scalability, and cost reduction. Yet, the road to achieving these benefits is not without its challenges, requiring a nuanced understanding of Kubernetes deployments and vigilant cost management practices. In this evolving digital ecosystem, Cross4 Cloud emerges as an essential partner for businesses navigating the complexities of Kubernetes. By offering a platform that enhances visibility, simplifies orchestration, and optimizes costs across multi-cloud environments, Cross4 Cloud empowers organizations to leverage Kubernetes to its fullest potential without falling into common cost traps. With Cross4 Cloud, businesses gain the tools and insights needed to ensure efficient resource utilization, mirroring the successes of industry leaders. Foster a culture of innovation by streamlining deployment processes and accelerating release cycles. Achieve financial transparency and control over cloud expenditures, ensuring investments in Kubernetes translate into strategic advantages. As we reflect on the transformative journeys of Shopify, Spotify, and MetLife, it's clear that the path to mastering Kubernetes and unlocking its full potential is paved with strategic insights and effective cost management. Cross4 Cloud stands ready to guide businesses through this journey, offering a platform designed to amplify the benefits of Kubernetes while minimizing its financial complexities. For organizations poised to embark on or continue their Kubernetes adventure, the time to harness the power of Cross4 Cloud is now. Explore how Cross4 Cloud can elevate your Kubernetes strategy, transforming challenges into opportunities for growth and innovation. Discover a future where operational excellence and cost efficiency are not just goals but realities, with Cross4 Cloud as your companion on this journey. The promise of Kubernetes, realized through strategic deployment and management, awaits. Let Cross4 Cloud be the key to unlocking that potential, guiding your business towards a future of unparalleled digital success.